Welcome dear children to e-learning classes, Standard 5th, Subject English, Unit 2, Friendship. I hope dear children everyone is having friends, right? So what is friendship? We always say that friend in need is friend indeed. So here is a small poem, you can read it. We'll start the activity 1, that is the pre-task. There are many poems and stories on the virtues of friendship. Means there are so many stories on the values of friendship. Friendship is one of those things that make even a poor person rich and a sad person happy. Read and enjoy the following poem on friendship. So, if you have a true friend, then even if you are poor, you are a rich person. Like we see the friendship of Sudama and Krishna. And when we are sad, our friends come and they make us happy. So, here is the poem, The Arrow and the Song. We shall read the poem. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. I breathed a song into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For who has sight so keen and strong that it can follow the flight of song? Long, long afterward in an oak, I found the arrow still unbroken, and the song from beginning to end I found again in the heart of a friend. Written by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. In this poem, the poet begins by comparing two forms of action, represented by an arrow and a song. The poet shoots an arrow into the air and it falls to earth out of sight. The arrow is compared to the hard words, the lie, the rumor, the bad words which we speak to other people. Our destructive emotions and behavior, means whatever bad we say, they may fly out of the sight, but it will always remain in the heart of people to whom we have said. What damage it has done we don't know, but it will last long in the heart. In the second stanza, the poet breathes a song into the air. Here, the song is compared to our effort to celebrate life, to look for good in others, to do kind deeds. It is opposite of arrow. Now in last stanza, we see that so after very long years, he finds the arrow in an oak tree. Oak tree is very old tree. So he finds the arrow there still unbroken. Means those words which we say are still there in that heart of people. In the same way, the song also was in the heart of a friend. Means whatever we say, it remains there, unbroken and hurted, or with a good memory. Therefore, dear children, we should never use hard word, the bad words to our friends, because it will always remain in the hearts. So from this poem, we understand one thing, that we should always be good to others. So children, be good to others and learn this poem by heart. You should write in your CW book.